Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the bold, beautiful, and blisteringly fast 2025 Audi RS7, a car that perfectly blends luxury, technology, and high-performance engineering. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the RS family, this latest version is packed with exciting features you're going to want to see. So let's get right into it. Body panels. The 2025 RS7 features a sculpted, aggressive body that instantly commands attention. Its widened fenders, sleek side skirts, and a sloping coupe-like roofline give it a muscular stance while preserving the elegance of a luxury fastback. Constructed from a mix of aluminum and high-strength steel, the panels are lightweight yet strong, helping improve handling and fuel efficiency while offering better crash protection. The precise lines and contours aren't just for looks, they're designed to enhance aerodynamics and reduce drag at high speeds. Headlights. Up front, the RS7 boasts Audi's cutting-edge digital matrix LED headlights. These lights offer pixel-level precision, adjusting the beam to optimize visibility without dazzling other drivers. They can even project animated welcome sequences on startup, creating a futuristic experience every time you unlock the car. Function meets flair in the most Audi way possible. Taillights. At the rear, OLED taillights offer sharp styling and clever functionality. With multiple light signature options, they allow customization based on drive mode or personal preference. Dynamic turn signals and a seamless full-width design give the rear end a bold, tech-savvy character that's unmistakably Audi. Grille. The single-frame honeycomb grille takes center stage on the front fascia. Finished in gloss black with RS badging, it's flanked by large air intakes that aren't just for show, they cool the engine and brakes during spirited driving. The grille's wide and low profile enhances the RS7's menacing road presence while maximizing airflow for performance. Seats. Inside, the RS7 delivers a luxurious and sporty experience. The RS Sport seats are wrapped in Valcona leather with honeycomb stitching and RS embossing. They're power adjustable with heating, ventilation, and optional massage functions. Designed for both long-distance comfort and track day support, these seats strike a perfect balance between luxury and performance. Dashboard. The dashboard design is clean, driver-focused, and loaded with premium materials like carbon fiber, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum. The layout flows seamlessly from door to center console, emphasizing horizontal lines that make the cabin feel wide and open. Ambient lighting adds sophistication and mood to the cabin, customizable in multiple colors. Infotainment system. Audi's MMI touch response system features two stacked touchscreens, a 10.1-inch upper display for navigation and media, and an 8.6-inch lower screen for climate and comfort settings. The interface is crisp, responsive, and supports haptic feedback. Add to that wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system, and you've got one of the most advanced infotainment suites on the market. Steering wheel. The flat-bottom RS Sport steering wheel is wrapped in perforated leather and equipped with multifunction controls, RS mode buttons, and tactile paddle shifters. It offers excellent grip and feedback, making it feel more like a performance tool than a standard steering device. It connects the driver directly to the car's dynamic character with every input. Engine. Under the hood lies the beating heart of the RS7, a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that delivers an astounding 621 horsepower and 627 pounds-feet of torque. mated to an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, this powerhouse rockets the RS7 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. Launch control, torque vectoring, and adaptive air suspension further sharpen the performance for those who demand supercar-level dynamics. Hybrid option. Complementing the V8 is a 48-volt mild hybrid system, designed to improve efficiency without compromising performance. It helps with smoother start-stop operation, regenerative braking, and even provides a small electric boost during acceleration. This system adds a layer of intelligence to the RS7's raw power, improving fuel economy and reducing emissions in everyday driving. Airbags. Safety is top tier in the RS7. The cabin is equipped with a comprehensive suite of airbags including front, side, curtain, and knee airbags, all working in harmony with Audi's robust body structure to provide maximum protection. Audi Presense systems also monitor surroundings and prepare the car for impact when needed. Parking assist. Parking is made effortless with the RS7's 360-degree camera system, front and rear sensors, and automated parking assist. Whether you're maneuvering into a tight space or reversing out of a tricky spot, the system provides clear visuals and guidance or takes over entirely when activated. Price. The 2025 Audi RS7 starts at an estimated $127,000, but with options like carbon ceramic brakes, carbon optic styling, and advanced driver assistance packages, the price can climb north of $140,000. That said, for what you're getting, an all-in-one package of supercar performance, daily drivability, and opulent luxury, it's a value proposition that's hard to beat. And that wraps up our full review of the 2025 Audi RS7. With its explosive power, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge tech, the RS7 isn't just a car, it's an experience. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a tech lover, or someone who just enjoys the finer things on four wheels, this car delivers on every front. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future reviews. Let us know in the comments, would you take the RS7 over its rivals?